I'm sorry you have been lied to, and the lies you've been told has affected your business so much that you never saw it coming, that it's going to happen that way. You have been told that you should reduce your price, and if you reduce your price, you get more customers. Maybe that's true, you're going to get more customers. But how far about the business? How is it going now? Are you still getting more customers? You're not getting customers anymore. When it comes to reducing of your price, it should have a limited time. That's actually something you are possibly getting wrong. Maybe you are not setting a particular time that you want to stop reducing the price. Maybe you are giving people, your customers, a promo offer, a deal that is going to last for 7 days. That's it. 7 days, which means that if you are selling a product for 15,000 naira, they should get it for 12,000 naira this time, but it's going to last just for 7 days. This is the message you are passing to them. For us to make good profit and be able to give you good value, we are going to have to sell this for 15,000 naira. For this time, we are dropping down our profit by 2,000 naira so that we can also make it sweeter for you to buy. So which means that you are using the strategy FOMO, fear of missing out. So people don't want to miss out on that. Where you are getting it wrong now is there's no time period, or you have a long time period, which means you have been telling them now that, look, we have been cheating you all the while. You can actually make a lot of profit even if you sell it for 12,000 naira. That's the message you are passing. So whenever you want to do a reduction in price for you to get more customers, let it have a particular period of time. So let's move to the second reason why reducing your price can up your business. When you reduce your price consistently, you are making people feel that the product value has reduced, the perceived value reduced. If the people feel that they are getting good value already and you reduce the price, their perception is going to be like the value has reduced. There's something wrong about the product. Maybe the packaging quality has reduced, maybe the product itself has reduced in quality. That's the reason why you have reduced the price, because they already feel good about it. You only want to make more profit and you reduce the pricing. You believe that you'll get more sales. Maybe for a short period of time you will get those sales, but in the long run you will see people will not want from you. So the perceived value, you don't alter you don't alter. Now the third reason why you may be affected when you reduce your price is because of competitive pressure. Recently, a air transport business launched and they are moving from London to Nigeria for a reduced amount of fee. And it has this Nigerian branding, tagging, and people loved it. They were happy about that. The Nigerian business is moving people internationally. I mean, it is first of its kind and it makes people happy, and they drop down the price for people. That's fine, they are just starting that. But you know what happened after? A lot of businesses that were taking the same transport dropped down their price too by over 400,000 naira from millions of naira, like 1.9 million, 1.5 million. They dropped it down drastically, and people were rushing for the prices, for the best prices, for the lower prices, because of the pressure of competition. They don't want to lose their customers, and they did that. But the question is, how long are they continuing to do that? You see, it creates more pressure for other businesses too when you drop their price. We may say it's not your business, but it's fact. In fact, it's your business, because when you are charging 20 naira for something and you believe you can drop your price down to 10 naira, everybody start dropping their price down to 10 naira. But you know that someone can actually be so stupid enough to drop his own price down for 9 naira. And there's something I also learned, that some people are in business to lose for the first 1 year. And you can imagine, you can actually do your business and be wondering, how is this person making profit with this kind of margin? Something that, you know, when you get to the market, you buy for 7 naira and you know that it is being sold for 20 naira. People are making profit, and you think that you should sell your own for 10 naira, and you will sell a lot of quantity, and 3 naira is enough for you per unit. But now someone comes and is selling for 5 naira, and you wonder how the person is doing it. Remember when MTN started selling SIM card? They were selling for 300,000 naira SIM card. It dropped 200 100 SIM card though. When Glo came, they started selling for 30,000 naira, and later it dropped down to 1,000 naira. Now you only need to recharge sometimes for you to even get a SIM card for free. There are promos where they will say just buy a card on it and we will give you the SIM for free. It has gone down so low. Competitive pressure. It will also affect you. It will come back. Some people have that money enough to come into that your business, that same industry, and lose for a whole year. That's their strategy. For a whole year, they will beat the crowd. They will beat the competition, lose their money, lose millions. And after everybody has dropped down their price, they will now increase their price. So far, they have gotten enough customers from you. That is the reason why you want to be very careful too when you reduce your price. You probably have made this mistake before. You reduce your price for a customer, and then customer buys from you. You just say, "Madam, I just sold this thing for you. I just sold it. It's not the usual thing." And they say, "No worry, thank you. I'll come and buy later." Now they come later again. They want to buy from you. It is a principle that have been tested and trusted and tried. You do it again and again. You will still get the same result. When customers are being trained the wrong way, they get to a point where the training affects you. If you train a customer like that customer you have sold to, and the customer is coming back, this customer is now telling you that the amount you sold it for her last time is the amount he wants to even buy from you. In fact, he's even telling you to drop down your price. How do you feel? You feel that the person is an ingrate. Customers are trained the way you train them, and they react to it. They believe that no matter who the person is, you can never sell for less profit. Where I come from, they say "Aki dupe moropo afuni jafuni," loosely translated that you cannot say that somebody should thank you because you have sold at a loss. No. Remember our mama now, when they want to sell something in the market, they will say, 10 naira ni mo de ra kini yo, ere mi lori is 10 naira, my profit is 10 naira on this thing, and I did not make any profit. They will continue to sell to many people and be saying their profit is 10 naira. When they want to buy from you too, they believe that you are making profit. No matter the amount of profit, no matter the margin, you are still making profit. So when they want to buy from you later, they will still want to buy less and want to drop your price, your margin. That's exactly the problem when you drop your price. So give customers the perceived value. It's not bad to reduce your price. Let it have a particular period of time you are reducing your price. In fact, it is even good to increase your price margin so that you can reduce the number of people that are not ready to buy from you and increase the profit margin and get high quality clients to buy from you. But you have to be careful. There should be a balance towards this. You enjoyed this video. I know you enjoyed this video. Why don't you consider subscribing? If you're a first time person here, why? Please subscribe. I'm begging. Subscribe to this channel.